Oh my god, I don't know. Estee Lauder gonna have not just one blockbuster. They're gonna have a 2 holiday blockbuster. Yes! Oh my god, I just found out we're gonna have 2 different. And in this video I will tell you what the difference, and then I have something very special for you. Very important news. The Lauder will have a 2 different blockbuster. They look almost the same. They are the same price, $90 with any Estee Lauder purchase. Difference between these 2 boxes is just moisturizer. This is your daytime moisturizer, Revitalize Supreme, and this is it's your nighttime moisturizer. But again, price the same. But I want you to see a little bit more item from Estee Lauder. Yes, we have amazing holiday sets. This is the first set, the Lift Plus Glow Routine. You have full-size nighttime repair serum. It's 2 more sets I want you to see. Another incredible deal, $130, value $198, Revitalize Supreme set. One more incredible set, this is your Resilience Multi-Effect Serum, $124. And for my little ones, if you don't concern any about lines and wrinkles, you just want a good, nice, hydrating moisturizer, that's it. This will be a perfect set for you. Also, I have for you 2 beautiful fragrance sets. Girls Save the Day, October 18th to October 31st, only at Nordstrom. Estee Lauder gonna have a gift with purchase. If you're gonna spend $75, it's your beautiful gift. We have here treatment lotion 30 ml, then we have with you moisturizer 15 ml, 7 milligram of eye cream, and it's your Renutriv, the most expensive, or almost the most expensive skincare line from Estee Lauder. Also, you will have a beautiful gorgeous bag. Throw away your old bag, you need new. You will also have a very cute, beautiful lip gloss. And I love this lip liner. This is lip liner. It's perfect lip liner for holiday. It's your long wearing lip liner, 420 Revolution Rose. I love this color. It's your soft rose red color. Again, this lip liner gonna stay all day long. One more time, it's your Estee Lauder gift with purchase with any $75, but value it's $295. Wait, I have something else. Yes, it's an extra gift. If you're gonna spend $125, you will receive this gift and you will receive extra gift. Here we have with you full-size Turbo Lash Power Mascara. This is your volume lengthening mascara. Again, it's your full-size mascara. Also, we have their Advanced Night Repair 15 milligram, and we have with you black waterproof 24-hour wearing eyeliner. Yes, again, look, your Estee Lauder beauty box, it's $90, right? You automatically will get this. And if you spend $125, you will receive your holiday beauty box. You're gonna receive this incredible deal. But remember, your beauty box, it's $90 with any Estee Lauder purchase. What it means, you need to purchase something else. Lipstick, fragrance, serum, eye makeup remover, anything you like. Yeah, it's me without makeup, but don't worry, in a few minutes I'm gonna look not just beautiful, fabulous, because we're gonna use first skincare from Estee Lauder. Basically, you need always start with cleanser. Wash your face morning and night, and it's amazing gel cleanser, and it's a hydrating gel cleanser. Then it's your serum. You need to use this serum, Advanced Night Repair, morning and night first. Use on your face, use on your neck, and use on your décolleté. Again, its serum will bright, will hydrate, will improve your lines and wrinkles. Yes, it says here nighttime repair, but don't be confused. This serum you can use morning and night. Always first, because it's come to your skin much more deeper than any moisturizer. Moisturizer work only top of your skin, and serum come to your skin much more deeper than any moisturizer. I know you wanna know what size. It's 1 ounce or 30 ml, and if you're gonna buy this just by itself, it's $85. And now I think you wanna know what set you wanna get, nighttime or you wanna get daytime. And I think it's a very good recommendation for you. Daytime moisturizer will brighten your skin, lift your skin, will give you hydration, and will firm your skin. Texture wise, it's a light texture moisturizer. It's not your heavy rich moisturizer. Again, it's pretty light texture. Nighttime moisturizer. Nighttime moisturizer have hyaluronic, bright, lift, and it's very creamy and rich texture nighttime, and daytime it's a little bit lighter texture. My recommendation, if you decide you want only one beauty box, if your skin it's normal to oily, or you just normal, I'll go with daytime moisturizer. If you normal to dry or extremely dry, get a nighttime. Its texture it's way more creamy and rich. I am right now, because it's winter, normal to dry, definitely nighttime moisturizer. It will be my best choice. I'm gonna use nighttime moisturizer because right now I am combination to dry, and yes, I love double wear foundation, and double wear foundation can slightly dry your skin. This is why I use a nighttime moisturizer. It's a little bit more creamy and rich. And let's finish my skincare routine with eye cream, Advanced Night Repair. It's a cream gel eye cream. It's have a very nice beautiful texture. I will not say it's creamy, it's rich, because again it's a gel to cream, but it just have a beautiful, this sleek, silky feeling. I love this eye cream, and this eye cream, if you're gonna buy, it's gonna cost you $74. It's full size, and this eye cream for dark circles. One more items I have, and it's a traveling size 1 ounce or 30 ml hand cream, renutritive restorative hand cream. Very luxurious formula. It's not greasy, but it's pretty nice, creamy, hydrating hand cream. I love this hand cream. After skincare, I'm gonna use primer, and this primer will minimize my pores, and foundation gonna stay all day long. And I apply where I have large pores. I do not apply on the entire my face, only in the center. For my foundation, I'm using Double Wear. This is my favorite foundation. Full coverage. It stays all day long, fragrance free. My skin will look flawless. Look at how beautiful this foundation on my skin. And no more discoloration, no more pigmentation here. It stays all day, and every time when I'm wearing Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, people will tell me, oh my God, your skin looks so beautiful. Because I'm serious, it's a huge difference. Please comments below, let me know, do you like this foundation on me? Do you see a big difference? Do I look 10, 20 years younger? Please let me know. Love you more than ice cream. Let's continue. Let me put little bit concealer. Translucent soft glow powder. I love this powder. It's have a little bit shimmer, but it's not will look sparkly on your face. I love this loose powder. Looks little bit pale. I'm gonna use this amazing bronze. We have with you 3 colors: lighter, medium, and dark. If you don't know what bronze you want, what color to choose, it's perfect bronze for you. And now look at this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Look at this gorgeous colors. Let me swatch for you. Let me show you these colors very close. In meantime, I'm gonna apply eyeshadow primer on my eyelid. I want you to see this eyeshadow palette close. We have a lot of here warm undertone eyeshadow. First color will give you the most little bit shine or shimmer. Even third color have a little bit looks like sparkles, but when I swatch colors, I personally truly see only shimmer on a lighter color in this collection. This eyeshadow palette pretty have a warm undertone eyeshadow. First color, lightest color in this eyeshadow palette have a little bit shimmer. Second color, it's matte. Third color have a little bit shimmer, but I barely can see. And rest of color, again, it's matte. I already create one look with this eyeshadow palette, and if you not yet know, yes, it's my second video. And let's do something different. I wanna create totally different eyeshadow look. I have a big blending brush and we're gonna use this color. And when I swatch this color, it looks really kind of orange, but I wanna see this color on my eyelid. These colors look really natural, soft. I will not say this color have lots of pigment. First color it's done, and I like how look my eyes. Looks very natural, very soft color, and it's not too orange. When I swatch, I'm like, oh my God, it's really orange. But on my eyes, I don't think so. Now I'm using another blending brush. It's a clean blending brush, and this is gonna be my middle color, and this color it's matte. This matte color I applying right here in the corner, and I applying above this little sparkly eyeshadow, which one I use first. Wow, it's pretty. I like this soft look. Let's use the darkest color in this palette, and it's your matte color. And again, I'm using blending brush. Yes, I love blending brushes. They are the best. If you want your eyeshadow looks beautiful, blurry, you don't want harsh line, you need to get a blending brushes. I apply right here on the corner like a letter V. Another small blending brush, and we're gonna use this first color, and this color the most have a shimmer, and I'm gonna use right here above my brow bone, kind of in the center. And let's put a little bit right here on the corner of my eyes and push a little bit up. And I'm finishing look with this amazing volume mascara from Estee Lauder. Remember, Estee Lauder Blockbuster starts sales October 10. But don't worry about, we have so many of them at Nordstrom. You can reach me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, and say, Katerina, I want Blockbuster, I want this, I will put on hold for you, and you will get your Blockbuster. And of course, this special deal behind me, it's a gift with purchase. I love my eyes, they look so pretty. Look at my lashes, and I feel eyeshadow this year, it's better than last year. Last year I don't feel it give me enough pigment. It's okay, but it's not wow me. It's definitely this year eyeshadow quality is better. Now I have a two lip color. I have a red color and I have more like a neutral mauve undertone. And first my video on which one I create, I use red one. You know what? Let's try this color. And again, this lip colors, they are limited edition. We have with you Strictly Confidential. This is this color, which one I'm gonna try, and this red blue color. Its name Red Velvet. Love this lip formula. It's your good creamy rich formula lipstick. It's not sheer, give me a nice pigment, give me nice color, and it feels really good. Also, this set has these two beautiful lip color. One, it's a beautiful, I will say, flat pinky color, and another, it's shimmery, it's iridescent, like it's a gold orange undertone. I'm gonna use this flat pink color. Looks good, and it tastes like a little candies. Wow, this is such amazing, incredible deal. I'll say it's must have for holiday. Remember, it's $90 with any Estee Lauder purchase. And October 18, remember, we're gonna have at Nordstrom Estee Lauder gift with purchase. It's an amazing deal, and you can reach me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. I will pre-sell for you with you. I will send you home your purchase, an extra gift, and another extra gift from Nordstrom, because again, we're gonna have the biggest Nordstrom event in Tampa. It's trend show where we bring in so many different brands, vendors. They're gonna show us what it's hot, what's it's new. It's amazing event. Reach me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. Love you more than ice cream, and I hope you have a fun with me. Bye everyone.